Hello everyone, so today we have 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5 to be simplified. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. We're going to simplify this without the use of a calculator. So I need you to pay careful attention and follow the steps. I will guide you with straightforward explanations so that nothing will feel confusing. So if we recall that a to the power of m times a to the power of n is represented as a to the power of m plus n. So on the same vein, we will have a to the power of 5 times a to the power of 1. We can say it's a to the power of 5 plus 1. And this is equals to a to the power of 6. So if we apply this to our equation, then we can write 16 to the power of 5 plus 1 in the place of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5. And the next step will be, following this same principle, we can write as 16 to the power of 5 times 16 to the power of 1 minus 16 to the power of 5. And 16 to the power of 5 is common in both terms. If we are going to factor it out, the next term therefore will become 16 to the power of 5, open a bracket, what is left is 16 to the power of 1 minus 1. And if you do this very well, the next step therefore becomes 16 to the power of 5 and 16 minus 1, that is 15, and close the bracket. Or 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4, so that 2 to the power of 4 will be to the power of 5 times 15. And again, when we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it can be represented as a to the power of m times n. So here we're going to multiply the two powers so that the next line becomes 2 to the power of 20, 4 times 5 times 15. Also, 20 can be splitted into 10 times 2, so that the next line becomes 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 times 15. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscription button, hit on the like button to promote this video. Thank you. So let's continue. If we do this very well, the next line can be 1024. That's 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 times 15. And 1024 to the power of 2 can be written as 1024 in 2 places, also times 15. And we can simplify this further so that 1025 is written as 1000 plus 24. Also here, 1000 plus 24 times 15. So if we open this bracket, the next line will become 1000 times 1000, that is 1 million, 6 zeros, and 1000 times 24, that will be 24,000, and 24 times 1000 again is 24,000, and 24 times 24, 576. If we close this bracket times 15, and we are fine. In the next line, we're going to add up the content of the bracket, that is 576 plus 000 plus 000 plus 000, that will be 576. And again, 24 plus 24 plus 00, that will be 48. And what is left is 10 times 15. And in the next step, we're going to split 15 into 10 plus 5, so that we can have 1048 576 times 10 plus 5. And if we open up this very one, we're going to have here 1048576 times 10 plus 1048576 times 5. On the next step, from here we have 1048576 times 10, just add the 0, plus here 5 times 6, that is 30. We put down 0, carry 3. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38. Put down 8, carry 3. 5 times 5, that is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. Put down 8, carry 2. 5 times 8, that is 40. 40 plus 2, that's 42. I'm going to write 2 and carry 4. And 5 times 4, that is 20. 20 plus 4, that's 24. If we put down 4, we carry 2. And 5 times 0, that is 0. 0 plus 2, that will be 2. And 5 times 1, that is 5. So in the next step, I'm going to add 1048576 plus here 08824 and 25. If we sum this very well, 0 plus 0, that is 0. 8 plus 6, that is 14, carry 1. 7 plus 8, that is 15, plus 1, 16. If you put down 6, you are going to carry 1. 5 plus 2, that is 7, plus the 1, that is 8. And 8 plus 4, that is 12. If you put down 2, carry 1. 4 plus 2, that is 6, plus 1, 7. And 0 plus 5, that is 5. And you bring that to 1. And this is our final answer. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please click on the subscription button before you go. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.